It is a beautiful summer's day in Hertfordshire, and it is Watford versus Derby. I'm wet.
Do not scratch your eyes!
Well, welcome back. We are here, and I've got someone with me. He's back. USA. He's brought somebody very special with him, but it's not his brother. It's his wife. So we'll get her during the game. It's raining. Her hair's getting wet. She's miserable. She's in England. I don't blame her. Off to the game. So we are on our way to the ground. Well, we're going to get a red line first. To be fair, we've just nipped in to have one in the tavern. Obviously, Chris is here. Chris's wife is here. Emily as well. She's still getting used to the rules of the road crossing. She thinks she's going to get arrested for jaywalking, but she's fine. We can do that out here. But it's good to have this man back. He's cut his hair, ladies and gentlemen, as well. Yeah. He's cut his hair. He looked like a rock star last time he was here. Suave. And he's just come back from Rome as well, so he's been throwing the Italian out. It's all good. Derby fans seem a little bit moody, a little bit upset. We just had to tell 3 of them that they couldn't come into the pub because it's home fans only, and that was, you know, you'd think I'd fingered their mother, quite honestly, because they took it a bit offensively. But anyway. We shall head to the red line. It's happening again. I have got the prediction. It's going in my pocket. It will be opened after the game. I'm not going to look at it. We will see what it is. We will get back together after this game and we'll see how close you are. You were so close last week.
Yeah. One
goal.
Yeah.
So we're going again. So I'm going to put it in my pocket and we'll see after the game.
No way.
1, 2, 3.
Dirty bastard. How disgusting.
This my mug, great. This lovely lady has helped me with a brolly. What's your name? Carly, thank you so much because we're so short. This has worked out really well.
Yeah.
Short people are the best, aren't they?
We're trying,
obviously, and the best footballers.
Absolutely. What can I get a score prediction from you, Carly, please, under the umbrella of goodness? 2-0 to us.
Yeah.
Like it.
I hope so.
I like it a lot. It's lovely to meet you. This is what Watford's all about. People sharing umbrellas in the shitting rain.
Yeah.
Stopping my eyes sticking together because I put too much wax in my hair. Thank you. We're in the ground. Natalie's just asked me a really important question. Are we going on the lash? Yes, we are. Because we've got this beautiful boy and look at his missus. Punch him. Big bank balance, massive bank balance, or big feet.
The latter.
Big feet, apparently. But listen, Emily's here. This big man is here. My brother from another mother. He's back. We're missing, obviously, one of the party. You know, Nick will get over it. But Chrissy boy's here. I'm so desperate for a win today for him. I'm so desperate. But I think it's coming. Mates! Well, that was unexpected. Derby have scored. From nothing. Fuck. Very unexpected. We keep going. It's okay. It's fine. It'll be all right. We're all good. We're still okay. Don't worry. In the game. We're in the game. Get 1 goal against this lot. I fancy us. But just getting the 1 goal first. A corner. It's going to be a better corner than the first one. I'm recording, so they won't fuck this up. It'll be fine. Ooh, that the owns that. Told ya. Oh. Oh. I take it back. I take it back. We take it back. We take it back. Yeah, what a player. What a player. Yellow on me. Top club is yellow on me. Top club is yellow on me. Top club is yellow on me. Go on, boys. We like it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We love you. We love you. We love you. Everywhere we follow, we follow, we follow. We support the honest, the honest, the honest. Go! Hey!
Yeah, well, I'll just
Important things are happening. Important things. I can't show you this, but it's about to happen. But I can't show you the result. Best English accent compilation #1.
Oi, I thought it was fucking raining out there. Look at it.
That was Australian. But anyway, it'll do. Glamorous, glamour in the rookery. We've got glamour here. Well, our second half hasn't started quite as productive as it normally does. It's all a little bit kick and rush at the moment. Derby are on top, which is a bit frustrating because the sun's out now, which is annoying. Oh no! We're beating Derby! We're beating Derby! It's happening! It's happening! Oh, Musa Sissoko! Oh, Musa Sissoko! Oh, Musa Sissoko! It's broken! Oh, Musa Sissoko! It's happening!
Coming on is number 9, Militovic.
Oh, we're so close to the end. 2-1 up. He's stressing me out. He's stressing me out. Emily's fine. She's cool. He's the problem. He's won. He's done it. Lovely. I got shit. Not only is he now seen a Watford win, he's just told me he's won 100 quid.
Hell yeah, dude.
What the fuck have you won 100 quid on?
I put a Watford win minus 110. Yeah, I should be. Oh, 95 and change.
Come over here.
Look, it already cleared.
You come over here. Look.
It's to make up for the London loss, or the England team. Because I put £250 for England to win the Euros, and they fucked me at the end.
They fucked me at the end.
Battle for Benidorm. What are we doing?
Fucking
That was
hell.
to win 1,000.
He's come over here. He's won 100 quid. He's seen 3 points. What a great trip.
Yeah, sure.
Emily spent all his credit card. Harrods, done the lot.
He was to Harrods.
No, that's tomorrow. We're going tomorrow.
I might now.
We could do. We could. He's got £100. We could do it. So I'm in the Red Lion. Here he is. I've got his. We're going to see what it was. Although I can pretty much tell that he might have been a bit off today. So we'll have a look. Back down the office. Yeah. A little refit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
I shouldn't be so positive.
Oh wow!
After last week.
It was 3-0, Georgie first goal. But it's still a win. It's still a win.
Yeah, we're happy.
Still a win.
We're happy with 2-1.
We'll have that. We'll have that.
We'll take that.
The old man's on the decks.
Reaching out, touching me,
Touching you. Sweet Caroline. Boom, boom, boom. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I've been inclined. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, it's got to be done. This is amazing. So we're in the Red Lion. It's after the game. Not many of you will recognise this man, but do you know what? Guess who he's related to? Wait, I'll spin around. Oh, that's his brother. Look at the difference. Look.
No,
Look. Good. Look, he's got all his teeth. He's got no hair in his ear. What a lovely guy. Look. What a beautiful man. But then we've got our Colin, who's a bit of a he's like a dog that's been left out in the garden. But my God, we love him.
we love our Colin.
Don't we? Don't we love you?
We love you.
Don't we? Yeah. And he drinks more than him, by the way. Let's just put that in perspective as well. Yeah, let's put that in perspective. So Colin's got a brother. He's really annoyed. He's good looking. Older brother. Oh, younger. Oh, younger.
He's got grey hair, I haven't, but he looks older.
When you say hair, I mean...
More distinguished.
Yeah, distinguished. Like a bowling ball's been left in a mop bucket. Yeah. But I still love you. You know that, don't you?
Not anymore.
Love it. So guys, we are going to leave you probably. This is probably the best point to leave you at the moment because we've got Emily's being glamorous. You're not. And we got Come On You Horns behind us, and up there, look, it's the home of Watford FC. He's broke the curse. 3 points in the bag.
Yes.
And do you know what? That's my leaving gift to you.
So
Thanks, Sam.
we just need his brother to
Nick,
come.
we're waiting for you,
Nick,
bruv.
Nick, we're waiting for you. Chris has done it. It's up to you, Nick. But what a wonderful day.
Nick's-
Great
Nick-
people.
He's one of the,
Everything I love about
he's
this
one
club
to come here, but in a different way.
that we should do. It really is. And we saw a few players outside.
Yeah, just not the,
That's good.
on the pitch.
It's good. It's the club I'm proud of. It's the club I love, and I love it more because we can bring people in from the other side of the world, and they just get it. They just get it.
Last away day, update.
So, this is your last. No, it's not your last home game.
No,
Plymouth.
Plymouth is.
Yeah. So okay, last league home game. He's got Plymouth, and then Sheffield United away.
Yeah.
Is his last.
And
Is his last
I
game.
might be on the clobber. I'll wear the
yeah.
Australian. Look, they're playing my song.
This is you. This is you. We played that for you. So there we are. Time to go. We'll see you in a bit. So, hang on. We've got our normal American friends. Our very new girlfriend, who's won
Mother of my children.
mother of her children. Sorry, but we've met this man. What's your name? Zach.
Yes.
Zach, where are you from?
I'm from Fargo, North Dakota, not far from Watford City, North Dakota.
Watford City in
Yes.
North Dakota. What does Watford City in North Dakota look like?
Oh, a tiny little town much smaller than this.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, go on Google. Go on and go Watford, North Dakota.
North Dakota.
North Dakota.
Yeah.
Go on there, Google it, have a look.
And none of our kits are this pretty.
No?
None of them.
What brings you here though? What brings you here?
Well, my lovely lady, we got to propose to her, so I have a fiance now, and we had to see the Golden Road.
Oh man.
We had to see the Golden Road.
I love it, I love it. I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the family.
Well,
welcome
thank
to
you.
the family.
And a Watford win.
Exactly.
Hell yeah.
1-0, well, 2-1 to yours. You are.
What's wrong with you?
So good, so good, so good. I'm really glad. Yes, yes. Here we go, here we go.
The next big trophy he's bringing out.
Here he goes.
Get my leg working.
Sweet Caroline, up, up, boom. Your touch never seems so good. So good, so good, so good. Sweet Caroline, up, up, boom. Your touch never would. Sweet Caroline, up, up, boom. Your touch never seems so good. So good, so good, so good. Well, it is good night from the Red Lion. It's been a marvellous day, a little victory over over Derby. I've got Stafford Bill with me, who you've seen before. You've seen him before. So Stafford Phil's got to go back to Stafford with the Derby fans.
Not until tomorrow.
Not till tomorrow, so there we go. Right then. There's none of them can afford a hotel. But anyway, it's been a great night. We will see you again. You won! Next week. Come on. Yeah, man. Join.
Go, 1, 2, 3.
Follow you across the country. Chap. You won!